Well, hey, it's Nat. We're going to make some meringue cookies. Even though I'm not feeling good, this is something I can quickly whip together and show y'all. So, it's just not that difficult. You just can't do it with a hand mixer. I had to wait till I got Molly mixer. You got your 4 egg whites, your cream of tartar, and your sugar. You're going to put the egg whites and the cream of tartar and a dash of salt in the bowl and whip it until it's foamy. And I'll show you that in just a second. Now, the main thing to remember is that you want room temperature egg whites. So you can put your eggs in a bowl till they're in a warm water bowl until they're room temperature. You know the room temperature when the whites roll off the egg yolks like water. Okay, you want to make sure there is no water or grease in this bowl, and you want to make sure that you do not open your oven after they're through baking, and I'll show you that in a moment. So once it's foamy like this, you're going to crank it up to high and add your sugar 1 tablespoon at a time until it's stiff peaks. Okay, and while this is whipping, I just want to tell y'all I love you for getting me up to 400 subscribers on YouTube. You're amazing. God is good. Please keep liking and subscribing and sharing. That is the best way to support my channel. Here's your stiff peaks. And it's stiff if you hold it upside your head and it don't go anywhere. Uncle Seamus approves. So we're going to go ahead and fold in anything else we want to put in, like our flavoring. I'm doing butter and rum. And then I'm going to do them a light yellow color to make them kind of look like butterscotches. So, again, please subscribe. You guys are just showing your love for me, and I can't tell you how tickled I am with it. And even though I didn't feel good, I just felt like I owed it to y'all to give you something fun to do today. Again, it only takes about 10 minutes to put this together, and then it just bakes. So we fold in our color. I'm using powdered color. You can use gel color for it too. Now you're just gonna pipe them. You can pipe them as close together as you want to, because they don't spread. They're just gonna get crisp on the outside. I like to do them in parallel lines and then go up and do them in the between. When it's done, you turn your oven off. Do not open the oven. You want to let them cool in the oven completely, so about 2 hours. Okay, and once you're done, they're going to have a crisp outside with a melt in your mouth inside, and it's really good. And look, they look like little crisp pillows, and they tasted so yummy. I'm going to show you the inside. And if you want to get fancy with it, you can do a little curl on top. I did some accidentally, so I don't know why you couldn't. Look how cute she is. Let's take a little bite. Look how pillowy on the inside. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. And again, you can give these away as long as you keep them at room temperature in an airtight box. All right, well, these were great. Thank you. Love you. Bye.